Nice car, boy. Is it so bright because you're so dim? I think I need to put on the sunglasses to take in the whole yellow submarine, like.
I think you'll find my daddy bought me this car for my birthday. It's a genuine yellow Altezza beams.
You must be blind as well as dim. This is a genuine Altezza beams too. It's no IS 200.
Ah, so it is. But them wheels aren't genuine. My daddy kept the original wheels in this car because he said it makes it worth a lot of money. And I love money.
Genuine? Might be genuine, but you've no taste, boy. Get out here and have a look at my Rota Torques. Pure class.
Aye, they are nice wheels, but come here, I'll show you this. Original wheels, you might have taste, but I have sense.
Yeah, I got it. Original wheels, all right, but there's no way that's original yellow.
Read it and wait.
Got me there, like. Ah, you need the lip extension kit to set it off.
Oh, but you wouldn't get over speed ramps with the likes of them.
I have a feeling you don't need to worry about speeding. Tein coilovers?
Aye.
That's not original.
My daddy says they're the best in the business.
Your dad's right. I have them too. They're pure decent. Did you know you can win both these cars for only $11.97?
Aye, on luckydaycompetitions.com. I seen it.
Right, let's get ready. Donegal rally.
I'd love to. I'll go and ask my daddy.
What a loser.